Commodore J. Tariela may kaaway na naman, isang senatorial aspirant na si Attorney Raul Lambino. Etong video kasi na to, tinawag ni attorney na simpleng hindi pagkakaunawaan. Tinawag ni attorney na simple yung pupwedeng mag-cause ng banggaan at mayroong mamatay. Tignan nyo kasi kung gaano kadikit ang Chinese PLA Navy helicopter. Ayon kay attorney, wala yan. Hindi lang daw nagkaunawaan ng PCG at Chinese Navy sa radio communication. Dapat daw magpakumbaba ang isa't isa para sa simpleng tensyon, hindi mauwi sa eskalasyon o gulo.
There is no dispute yet because that is next level. Much less there is conflict. We are talking here only of tension. And we should not escalate this tension to become a dispute, to become a conflict, and then severance of our diplomatic relations with China.
Kung gusto daw ni Pangulong Marcos na maayos ang simpleng tensyon sa West Philippine Sea, kausapin daw natin ang China. Kausapin ni Secretary Manalo ang Chinese Foreign Ministry, tapos anong mangyayari? Lalatagan tayo ng presyo para ibenta ang West Philippine Sea? O baka naman pagbabantaan tayo na pag hindi ibinenta yan hahantong to sa malaking gulo? Ganyan kasi ang nangyayari pag may bilateral talks ang Pilipinas at China. Inuutulang tayo ng Chinese government.
Should make the Department of Foreign Affairs the primary agency that will discuss matters pertaining to our relations with China, more particularly on the issue on the West Philippines.
In short, sinisisi tayo ng senatorial aspirant na to. Gusto pang maging senador BIFAR at PCG daw ang hindi nagpakumbaba. Sa video nga na pinost ni Commodore, binalaan ng Chinese Navy helicopter na lumayo dahil maaaring mag-crash ang patrol aircraft ng BIFAR. Pero anong ginawa ng China? Ayun, mas lalong dumikit na maaaring kabagsak ng eroplano.
China's military helicopter. This is Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources of the Philippine Government. Cessna Caravan 208B Romeo Papa 1077, conducting a lawful maritime patrol within the exclusive economic zone. You are flying too close. You are very dangerous and endangers the lives of our crew and passengers. Keep away and distance of your aircraft from us. You are violating the safety standards set by the FAA and ICAO.
Dahil dyan inareklamo na ng PCG ang China sa international community. At mariintong tinutulan ng China ang panibagong diplomatic protest. Ayon sa Chinese Foreign Ministry, bakit daw tayo nagre-reklamo sa UN? Chinese territory naman daw ang Bao de Masinloc. Dead ba nga dito si Commodore Tariela? Pag hindi kasi tayo nag-file ng diplomatic protest, di lumalabas na hinahayaan lang ng PCG ang delikadong pagmaniobra ng China. Nanindigan naman ng PCG na kahit delikado na ang buhay nila, tutuloy pa rin ang pagpapatrolya sa naturang pinag-aagawang teritoryo.
The PLA Navy helicopter did a dangerous flight maneuver. The first one, it came close to the distance of only 3 meters, less than 10 feet. So that's very dangerous. As you saw from the video that we released, the PLA Navy helicopter hovered above the port side of the aircraft. We may not expect China to change its behavior, but we're still going to continue, keeps on filing the diplomatic process, because this is an important procedure that we need to do to tell the international community that we are against such aggressive action of the People's Republic of China.
Kayo sa tingin nyo, dapat bang sisihin ng Philippine Coast Guard pag may namatay dyan? China nga ang nagsasagawa ng delikadong aksyon? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.